Wahoo! This is like a childhood dream of mine. Since 1964, when Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer came out, I have watched this every year. What do you think, John? You've watched it every year for the last 16. Not only John and the dogs, but the boys watch this every year with us. We did it as a family thing. And they continue to watch it throughout the year. I mean, even when it was 90 degrees outside, they wanted to watch Rudolph. So this has been a staple in the family. And to have this stuff sitting in your living room, amazing. Hey everybody, welcome to the Holiday Ridgway world. I'm Jeff and you're not. How many people have this behind them? Not many. I'm very proud. I'm very proud of this. Especially when you go to Lowe's and they don't have any in stock, but they have these two displays. So Yukon, I ended up working a deal with Yukon and got Yukon, but Bumble was already spoken for. But the kid behind the counter, he said, let me look, I think I've seen one in another spot. So he comes back 20 minutes later, by God, he still had one in the box, even though it said sold out. And, you know, he got a big tip for that one. The Bumble, we had to put together. And it took 16 hours. No, it only took like 2 hours to put him together. Go ahead, JT, set him off. Oh my God! Nice. Living my childhood. This is amazing. To have these two animatronics in your living room is crazy. Oh my gosh. I gotta savor the moment. I'm hoping that Terry will share the same sentiment with me. You know, I didn't know that I was getting these. She didn't know I was getting these. But she's always said, you gotta be spontaneous. So what more spontaneity than to have Bumble? See, he echoes my sentiment. So I'm just hoping when she walks through that door that she can appreciate the magnitude of having them. The Christmas spirit lives in the Ridgway living room, and I hope everything works out. She just pulled in. Where's all your packages?
Why you got the camera?
Because I wanted to show you something.
The packages are in the cars. It's raining.
Well, I know it's raining. Are you ready?
Why are the doors shut?
I want to show you something. I just told you that. Come on, take your coat off and put your purse up. It's like the big reveal.
That's why you have the camera?
Yep. This is like Ridgway excitement.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why am I nervous?
I have no idea why you're
nervous. What is that?
Where?
What are you doing? Why is there a
that hole's been there since we put the new thermostat in the machine-y thing down in the basement. Are you ready? Come over here. You got to get the full effect. Come on. John's trying to get out. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. It's a big reveal. Ready? Hold on. Don't open them. Don't open them until I get the door put back because John's having a nervous breakdown. Okay, wait a minute. Hold that thought.
Can I open them now?
No. When I tell you to. Hold on. Hold that thought. Now!
decoration at the Ridgways.
Aren't these like outside ornaments?
Silver and gold.
In most houses they're outside, but in our house they're the inside ornaments. Don't you like them?
I think they're adorable, but they don't belong in the living room.
But look, the way it's set up, they're perfect. It's like Bumble's putting the star on the Christmas tree.
Oh my God, Jeff.
That's all you got?
Look how tall he is.
I know. Isn't it amazing? He's 9.75 feet.
Well, what do you think we're going to do with them come January, February, March, and the rest of the year?
That's up to you to decorate them.
And the palm trees, you could have moved the palm trees over. He's got palm trees in his right, like
Where am I
here.
supposed to put them? I can't block the liquor cabinet. Well, I got to keep them there for now because they're pretty big.
Oh my God.
But serious, don't you like them? Honestly, think about it. How many times have we watched Rudolph over the years as a family? And to have them in your living room...
I don't think these are supposed to go in the living room. I think they're for outside decoration.
They don't have any contaminated chemicals on them that you can't put them in the house. Why would you want to ruin these and stick them outside? All that's going to happen is the elements are going to ruin them. Dun, 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 dun. You haven't heard the Bumble yet?
The Bumble talk?
Yeah, go walk over to him. There's like a little spot above the yellow bulb. Just go over next to it and like touch him.
Oh, he's fur.
Yeah. Little higher. Right, left. There. Should be right. Hey! That is so nice.
I do kind of like it.
I know. How many people have these in their living room?
And these are what? These are motion detector?
Yep.
So they're going to go off randomly?
Yeah, basically randomly. Unless I find some kind of adjustments they can do inside. He was the demo, and we put that one together.
Who's we?
Me and JT.
JT helped you put this up?
Yeah.
And how long did it take you?
Yeah, like 2 hours. Wasn't bad. So I got the vote of approval?
I guess. We'll see. I don't know how this is going to be.
Right.
I mean, you know, just because we have a big living room doesn't mean you have to fill it up with stuff.
Right, but John and Tuna, they gave their vote of approval too.
Oh my goodness.
Right, John? You didn't urinate on him yet, so...
They haven't barked at it?
No, they haven't done anything.
So it's not
It's went off a few
bothering
times
you.
and it still hasn't, set them off. Tuna's staring them down, but... Right, Tuna?
Well, thank you for at least putting the tree up.
Yeah, I centered that pretty good, I thought.
All right.
All right?
Well, there's not much I can do about it, is there?
No, not really.
This is why you didn't tell me.
Right.
This
Why
is
would I?
This is why.
You said be spontaneous. I was spontaneous.
You mean you didn't know? You were...
Had no idea. At Lowe's for a separate thing and got them. It was
And it just
dumb luck.
happened to be the day that I'm out shopping.
Well, it happened to be the day I was at Lowe's. I mean, it was just the way it worked out. You went shopping, I went to Lowe's. And then the irony of the whole thing, I wanted them, but I waited too long and they were sold out. So I had to buy the demo, and then the kid found that one for me. So.
Looky what he can do! He's one humble bumble! Woohoo! In person! Come on, you guys, jump in on it. Hey everybody, have a great day and a good life! I am, as you can tell by my smile! I didn't make you, you spilled it. You did, you spilled it right on the couch.
The name's Yukon Cornelius, the greatest prospector in the north.
These things. This is driving me crazy.
This is the season. again. You gotta leave
Gold and silver. Silver and gold. Yukon Cornelius scores again.
Yeah, but once you're done, we gotta turn it back on. Okay?
Gansers. Bubbles.
I won't know you.
He's one humble bubble. He's nothing without his chopper. Looky what he can do.
Yeah, looky, he's going off.
Oh.